So once again, everyone, welcome out to this live demonstration call. I'm excited to walk you through both the Pro Trade Desk and the Ultimate Crypto Box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right into this. Give me a 1 in the chat box if you can see my screen right now. You see where it says Pro Trade Desk. Okay, give me a 1 in the chat box. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Guys, I want to talk about several things here tonight. One of the biggest things that I want to make very clear is here at the Pro Trade Club, we have brought you the best of the best. Okay, you'll see here where it says the hedge fund trader, something that's really unique about the Pro Trade Club. Our director of education is actually a multi-asset portfolio manager and global macro director for a licensed and regulated hedge fund. Okay, so the level of information that's coming out, as well as what you're getting access to, over 90% of everything that we have to bring here from a product and value wise comes directly from Fotis. So you guys are in for a treat. What he's done is taken what the professionals, the banks, and the hedge funds are doing, and he's simplified it for the masses. Okay, so I want to jump into a little bit about the Pro Trade Desk. Those of you that are not familiar at all, I want you to think of this desk as the place for your main thing to be able to hold everything that you need and have access to everything you need for everything trading. Okay, you'll notice here that this is not just a Forex or crypto company. All right, when it comes to trading, we cover every asset class. All right, you'll see here Forex and CFDs, cryptos, futures, global macro, and stocks and ETFs. Okay, what I want to do is start out here with the Forex and CFDs. What these right here are is signals, all right, that are coming out directly from Fotis. And what's really powerful about these signals is you guys are getting the currency pair, the entry point, the take profit, and the stop loss. Now, something that's really unique about this is Fotis is very big. When he wins great. When he loses small. Okay, you'll see here opening small short position here, selling 1/3 of usual size. What that means is, say if he was used to taking, a 1.0, a standard lot, he would take a 0.33 here, right? What this does is it mitigates risk massively. All right. And another thing that's very important to see here with the Pro Trade Desk and all the signals that are coming out, none of these are intraday scalping positions. All right. All of these trades that are going to come out are lasting anywhere from 24 hours to 7 days a week, sometimes more. All right. One of the main signals that we put out at the end of January, early February, USD JPY, that trade hit today for over 300 pips. All right. So this is a much different style of trading, but it's really powerful what you can do when you're trading like the institutions, when you're trading the same way the hedge funds are, rather than like the retail traders, which usually lose. All right, so this right here is hosting all of your signals that you need. All right, on top of that, I want you to look over here to the right. Before I get into the rest of these rooms, I want you to see how stacked this is with everything you need. When most people think about trading, they think it's difficult. They got to have 7 different computer screens and monitors to be a professional. That's not true. All the stuff that they're pulling up, you have access to right here in one screen, one desk. All right, calendar, all the main news events. From low impact, medium impact, high impact, you can go here and select which currencies you want to pay attention to or those you don't want to, all right? And then continue to move forward. Right here is our talking Twitter, all right? What you're going to see as this call continues is news is going to pop up here as soon as Bloomberg, Forex Crunch, Forex Live, Financial Times, all of these channels post something about the news. It populates right here in your Pro Trade Desk, and it's super powerful. Everything you need for indices, okay? What you're gonna see here is the last, the high, the low, the change percentage, all right? Your stock trends, this is gonna show you the biggest gainers and losers, okay? Your FX quotes, you'll be able to see all the currencies, where they're at right now, the change, etc. All right? Your FX calculator, you're gonna be able to go in here and calculate the positions that you're looking to take, okay? Extremely powerful. You have your stock watch list. So when we're putting out stocks and ETFs, guys, it would probably be smart to come over here and find it. And then at that point, you can track it. Okay. Extremely powerful. All right. And it also has crypto news and a crypto Twitter as well. On top of that, it has live TV in here. All right. So I'm going to click play.
Russian state media.
Obviously, it's talking about the Russia and Ukraine war because that's what's massively impacting the market right now. Okay. But right here in your Pro Trade Desk, you have access to go through and watch this, even to the point of COVID-19. Okay, and what it's doing to the marketplace, where numbers are spiking or going down, all the main details you need, you have access to right here. On top of that, you have a full charting service. So you can come right here. You can search any chart, let's say USD JPY. All right, we just talked about that trade. Guys, we were in USD JPY at 113.90. Okay, I want you guys to see how insane this is. All right, we were here. That was our entry point. And what's powerful about these is this is swing type trading. All right, so this right here, 113.900, this was our entry point. Look where the market is now. Right, this is absolutely insane, the level of trades. Look at the drawdown. There was none. All right, sometimes is there a drawdown? Yes, but that's why we scale into the trades. With this one, we had a lot of confirmation with what we were looking for, everything going on economically. And I also want to talk about that. You'll see on these trade alerts that are coming out, one thing that FOTUS doesn't just do is talk about what's going on. He gives you the ability to come here and actually see a full economic reason behind what's happening. And that's something that's very important. Okay, so we have our Zoom right here, which you'll be able to log into and get access to, and it just makes it super, super powerful. Okay, so everything you need is right here in this Pro Trade Desk. Okay, on top of that, all right, I want you guys to see this. On top of that, we have our crypto channel. All right, stocks and ETFs, which you see here. We also have our futures channel. Those of you that are future traders, all right, some of the best stuff, exactly what they're doing in the hedge fund space, you're getting access to right here. And one thing that's strong about this is every bit of this, you control your own portfolio. You aren't giving your money to anybody else. You aren't sharing profits with anybody else. You are in full control. All right, global macro, this right here is all the important news that's moving the market. All right, the global macro is what moves the market. All right, we were talking about earlier on one of our live calls, the first one that FOTUS hosted for the group, and he was talking about what moves the market. It's not just when it hits support and resistance. It's not when it just crosses moving averages. There's an engine behind it, and that's the economies around the world, the global macro. Okay, so you're going to learn how the economy moves the market, and you're going to know what to do when it's doing what it's doing. All right, so this is very powerful what you're getting access to. Okay, now let's move over to the Ultimate Crypto Box. Let me see a crypto in all caps if you understand how big crypto is and how powerful crypto is. Okay, everything you need for trading, it's all in one place here at the Pro Trade Desk. Okay, this is absolutely insane. The signals are absolutely mind-blowing. It's not your typical, we're going to send out 20-30 signals a week, or, you know, every 2 weeks. They're very precise trades that are being sent out, and it's being traded the same way that a hedge fund would do so. Okay, that's very powerful. Now let's get into the Ultimate Crypto Box. Guys, when it comes to crypto, this is everything that you need. Okay, I'm going to start with the very bottom. It has your price of your top 7 cryptos. It has your charting service, so you can go in and do charting for all of these different cryptos. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay, on top of that, it has your education that you need. All right, super powerful. You'll see from the very beginning of introduction to Bitcoin and crypto markets, on-ramping, analyzing the crypto market, trading Bitcoin, understanding what's going on. Guys, every bit of this is already built here for you. Okay, super powerful. On top of that, you have your news. So all the major news events coming out for crypto, you're able to sit here and check it out, read the report. All right, you can see more details if you click here. Okay, but this is super powerful. Every main and major news source when it comes to crypto, you're going to be the first to get that news. Okay, now let's talk about the trade signals. All right, this is where it's absolutely next level. Okay, you guys have the ability. All right, when these trade signals come out, and guys, this is crypto trading. This isn't MT4, MT5 trading like you would trade Forex, or even some people trade crypto leverage. All right, this right here is on a real crypto exchange like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase. All right, what you do is you connect your accounts via API key. Okay, and at this point, when these trade alerts come out, you have the ability, all right, to choose the leverage that you want, 1%, 2%, 10%. You have the ability to choose. We always err on being more conservative. All right, 2%, 3%, 1%. You choose what you want to do. But what's absolutely crazy about this is once you select this, you see the take profit, you see the stop loss, the new signals are beginning to be sent out now. We just gave access to this today, March 14th, 2022. So those of you that are seeing this right now, you are first to the party to be able to enjoy it as a Pro Trade Club customer. All right, this is absolutely insane. This is also fully proprietary. No one else owns this. This is our own creation. Okay, so once you select the leverage, you then click place request, and now that crypto trade is in your account. What's going to populate here is the signals and history. All right, you're going to see if it went through or if it canceled. A lot of times they're limit trades, so sometimes it hits, sometimes it doesn't. But these trades have consistently produced over the last 2 years amazingly. All right, and I'm excited for you guys to get access to something at this high level. Okay, everything you need here, your education, your charts, your new service, and the signals is what really sets this thing off, guys. Literally choose the leverage, click place request, and now you have access to be in these trades. Okay, so this is something right now. Give me an 888 in the chat box if you see how much value and power is here already from what we just talked about. All right, I really want you guys to understand trading has been made difficult because of what people have had access to. When you upgrade your knowledge, when you upgrade the tools that you're using, when you upgrade the community that you're working with, you'll find your income upgrading too. All right, this is the very beginning. Guys, and when I say the very beginning, I mean the very beginning of something that is just absolutely insane. We are on a mission here to empower the world in such a crazy way, and we're absolutely convinced that we're at the right time to make it happen. Okay, I want to show you a couple of things so you guys can see. If you have not seen our website yet, protradeclub.com, I highly encourage you to check it out. Guys, we are here at the very beginning of this pre-launch, and you are the first to the party. All right, we just opened the door several days ago, and we want you guys to get access to everything that we have here. You can go through our site and see what we're about. I'm going to take a moment just for a second just to go through a couple of things because I really want you guys to see the in-depth details of the products that we have here. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick recap. All right, on the products we have. You just saw the Pro Trade Desk live. You just saw the Ultimate Crypto Box live, but I want to show you a couple other things that you get here. The Pro Trade University, this is from A to Z, beginning to actually being and trading a diversified portfolio like a hedge fund trader. Okay, it starts off at the beginning of Forex and trading, then it goes in to global macro, which like I was discussing is the economic news. Then we have our futures course, we have our crypto course. Okay, you're then going to also have the ability to go through the complete trader course, which is literally walking you through from what is an asset to then managing diversified portfolios. And again, we're teaching you how to do it. Everything here is proprietary. This is coming straight from the hedge fund world. Fotis is the one that created this, and it's absolutely brilliant. All right, you just saw the Pro Trade Desk, everything you need in one place. Guys, trading can be simple. And when things get simple, things can get a lot more profitable. There's no reason to be confused. People just have not had access to the best tools and information. And once you upgrade that, everything else begins to upgrade, okay? You'll see that the signals here are just absolutely incredible. All right, the Pro Trade Live, our live weekly sessions have started. Guys, if you are on the live weekly session, can you comment just for a minute how much you enjoyed that with Fotis this morning and how it's so much different what you're hearing here compared to what you've heard everywhere else in the space, all right? Once we officially launch in April, we'll have our Traders Weekly podcast that Fotis will be hosting. We have our Pro Trade office. Shout out to Al. The Phantom is going live this Wednesday. So there's actually going to be a call coming up on Wednesday as well, going over the Phantom, which is a crypto indicator, which is mind-blowing. On whichever way Bitcoin's moving, you can find a way to profit on it and get phenomenal entry points. Okay, so Al's going to be breaking this down more on Wednesday. And then you guys saw the crypto box. Guys, everything you need, write that in the chat box right now if you're watching this with me. Everything I need to make money crypto with the Ultimate Crypto Box, and then everything you need to make money in every asset class. All right, the stocks and model portfolios, we're going to be discussing those, okay, coming up on Wednesday. I want you guys to see how crazy this is. All right, when it comes to the model portfolios, there is no company doing anything even remotely close to this. All right, this is exactly what Fotis and his hedge fund team have been doing since 2007, and they're showing all the data from 2012. Here, what you're seeing is literally a breakdown of every place that they're investing it, the allocation amount, okay, the symbol of it, which now you can go in and run your own portfolios. You'll see these performances have been absolutely crazy. This is something that you also will be getting access to at the Pro Trade Club. So if you trade stocks, if you trade equities, guess what? Things are going to another level. All right. I'm excited for you guys to be here. Let me see a Pro Trade Club in the chat box if you're excited to be a part of this community. And at the end of the day, you're ready to go to a whole nother level. There's been a lot of people that have, got excited about trading. There's been a lot of people that saw the hope and possibilities of what can happen with trading. And then many people have been let down over and over again. And the Pro Trade Club has come in to help everybody on this journey. Do it with the pros so you can trade like a pro, so you can profit like a pro, so you can win like a pro. Amateurs don't get paid a lot of money. And without talking about any other companies, I'll say this. Most companies don't have professional level people with this quality teaching. And who you learn from is what you're going to become like. I hope that makes sense. All right. So let's go through this, guys. The Pro Trade Desk is absolutely game changing. Okay. You are at the very forefront of this movement. I'm excited for you to experience it. Guys, everything you need is right here. The trading floor, we're opening this up where we post some awesome stuff and talk about things. But here before long, this is also going to be a trading room, okay, where the traders are going to be able to talk amongst each other. And our community is just going to continue to grow and scale. And I tell you guys, we are so excited about what's to come. The Crypto Box, there is nothing like this in the space, guy. API key. All right. You literally connect it. You choose the leverage. You take the trade. At that point, you're in the trade. If you don't like the trade, guess what? Boom. You don't have to take it. You like this trade? Amazing. Boom. Set your leverage. Boom. Place. Then you're in there. Okay. This is absolutely powerful. All right. So if you're excited, let me know in the chat box. I want to encourage you. Go and let somebody know. All right. Anybody that you know that's gotten excited about trading, and let's just talk about it. Anybody that understands the need of multiplying your money. All right. We are living in a day that there's no time to play. There's more money available than ever. And yet this is the time that more people are struggling. In a very long time that we've seen. All right. So I just want to encourage you guys, let the word know, let the world know that we are here. You can join our pre-launch right now for $39 and get access to the Ultimate Crypto Box, the Pro Trade Desk, the first course of our Pro Trade University, Pro Trade Live with our live sessions with Fotis and Al. And then we're also now giving access, okay, to the Phantom, which is one of our Pro Trade Office indicators, which is specifically for crypto. All right, guys, we have overpacked this pre-launch with value because we want you guys to experience how crazy this is. All right, there's a lot more surprises that are on the way, but I just want to take a time tonight to come and show you it live so you can see a little sneak peek. You can get a little inside view. And at this point, I encourage you to take full advantage of the rest of this month going into April, because guys, April 10th, we're in full launch mode. All right. Right now for $39, you can get in, test it out, experience it, create your own testimonies, see your own results. And at that point, you'll understand how much different this is than everything else in the market. A lot of people have asked, there's a lot of trading companies, Josh, what makes this different? What we have, who's teaching this, as well as the quality of the leadership here. All right. There's really three execs here, myself, my brother, and Fotis. My brother's in 1999 started his own credit card processing company. They're doing over $1 billion in revenue a year today. All right. Fotis has been in the hedge fund world for 20 plus years. All right. Private banking, managing huge portfolios. Okay. And he's an absolute genius when it comes to global macro and trading. Every asset class, not just Forex, every asset class. His model portfolios are ridiculous. All right. And then myself, I've been in the banking industry now for 10 years. I've been in this online marketing space, trading space for over 5 years now. All right. I've been a part of companies. And at this point, I said that there is no more important now for a ship that can last and bring people the best. We started the Pro Trade Club. And at this point, guys, we're on a mission and we're not slowing down for 1 second. There are millions of people, billions of people that need help. Let's see how many we can impact, okay? So welcome to the Pro Trade Club. We're excited to be a part of this journey with you. And beyond just hearing us talk about it, we want to see you experience it for yourself, okay? So I will see you on the inside. Get started with whoever shared this video with you. Do not delay, okay? The pre-launch only lasts until April 10th. The $39 is access until April 10th. So take advantage today and get the rest of the days until we hit April 10th. The longer you delay, the less time you have at $39 and you're coming in full price. All right. 888 in the chat box if you're ready. 888 in the chat box if you're excited. And let's tell the world about the Pro Trade Club. I'll see you all later. Have a great night. Once again, Josh Phelps here, CEO and founder, and it's time to trade like a pro. Let's do this.